I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the LCD screen in a Dell Vostro 3350.
I normally leave the screen attached, but I just had to take this one off, so might as well show you like this. You can do it either way. You don't have to take this completely off. But you want to try and get up under this bezel somewhere. And just start sliding your fingers. Some people use tools. I've been doing it for a real long time. I just slide my fingers under it. Just go all the way around it, popping it up. And once that's done, you're going to find my screwdriver. You're going to take these screws out.
What? On what? How?
Once you take those 4 screws out, this whole LCD will pop up out of here, and it's really simple. You're going to peel this tape back right here. And the hardest part is really peeling that tape back. Once that peels back, this pops out. And then you have your LCD completely out of there. Then you want to take it, you get your new one, plug you back in. You might need to replace your tape if it's wore out. Scotch tape will work. That's all it really is. Plug your new screen in here. Put your tape on. Back down. Some little tiny screws back in there. Can't barely even pick them up. So small. Now I leave the LCDs right in the screen right attached to the laptop, and I'll take these apart like this. This saved me a whole bunch of trouble, a whole bunch of time. I never understood why people would remove them all the way and then replace the LCD. You just leave them hanging right on the laptop.
You're not going over there. I'm gonna whoop you.
You get your bezel. To go around pressing down. Don't be scared to press. Then you need it to pop back on. Sorry, I wasn't even on the video doing that. You know, squeeze it. You'll feel it, hear it. And once that's all pressed in, you just pop it back in the a laptop and you're good to go.